This is a quick hands-on from a used Google Pixel 4. So what I got in the box was the phone case, and of course the box with charger, OTG, cable, or adapter. And this is the 64 gigabyte version. So had some fun playing with this. Initial impressions were that it was really nice quality, pretty sturdy phone. The build quality is nice. I like what Google did here. And then do you see that, how fast that unlock is? I love that about this phone. It's really quick unlock speed. One thing I noticed about it, it's a little bit thicker than normal, I feel like, compared to some of the newer phones that are out. But I'm used to using the iPhone X. That's what I use as my daily device. And using this for a week, I noticed it was just a little bit more hefty. What are some other things? It's fast. It is so snappy. This phone is just quick. It just slides and slides and slides and slides. It's fast. And I think that's partially because of the processor. It's also because of the operating system, as well as that display. It's got the 90 hertz display, refresh rate display on it. So it's quick. Everything goes really quick, and didn't have any delays at all while I was using it. This has been my daily device for about a week, and it's so I can get used to different features and functions that it has. One thing that I noticed is that you've got this forehead. I guess that's what they're calling it, but let's see if I can show you. The top of the screen is actually right there. It's a little bit thicker than most of the other devices out there. You can see the edges of my screen at the bottom here. So it almost goes edge to edge all the way around the phone, besides that thick forehead. And that's to accommodate the Soli radar, which is nice because if I reach to grab it, it'll detect, well, usually detects when I'm in the room. So anyways, it seems like the Soli unlock functionality is how it's supposed to work. Like that's how face unlock is supposed to work. It's so quick. I don't have to like swipe to unlock or anything. I love the face unlock feature on this device. I wish Face ID, Apple's done a really good job at unlocking things with Face ID. Google is still working on that. That's one thing I noticed while I was using this. It's still a work in progress, but at least the unlock screen is slick, really slick. One thing I like about this phone is that it's so familiar. It's Google's backbone is built all over it. I mean, it's Google's phone, and so it's very familiar, very comfortable, and super easy to use. Fits my lifestyle. I'm a Google local guide, so I love being able to access all of my content that I upload to Street View or Google Maps, and it's just easy. It's so easy, and everything's built together. Google Photos, Google Drive, it's all there. Love it. One thing that I noticed that was kind of hard switching into this device is that there's settings, but then this is a general app Android thing, but like there's settings in each app that you download. Maybe not so much the Google ones, but if I needed to change the setting in something, then this isn't a great example either, but I feel like the settings for each individual app it could be in settings, it could be buried within the app. That's been hard, but that's a general Google thing. And those are some quick first impressions of the Google Pixel 4. One thing that I love about this phone is that how fast that camera is. It is so nice. The portrait mode is really great too. If you're it's I don't like the way that Apple does it. It seems like, it takes forever to take the picture, but you just snap it and it works. Portrait mode, night mode. Night sight takes a little second, but it is what it is. This concludes my quick review on the used Google Pixel 4. Like and subscribe for more content later. Thanks.